So here's what FedEx brought us today. I assume the box on the left will be my new carpet set for the Project Tiger, and then on the right will be the box with the 50-inch wide wool fabric, polyfoam, and half-inch sound-deadening foam. So we will take a look and see. Stand by. I'd like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So you can call up Airtex and you can go to their website. You can pick up the phone, which is what we did. Now we're ordering a headliner, and again, they do have a web presence, and you can go to the website and you can see that the website does offer a headliner for both the early and the late model 4-place airplanes. Now here's the problem when you go to order the headliner. The headliner won't fit when you go to put it in. Now it is available in the colors that you can see here, and we ordered ours in mica, which is an off gray, as you'll see later on when we open the box. But again, you go to the headliner, you can click on the headliner, and then it'll bring up the options that you have for the Grumman that they make them for, and they tell you they're like $156. Now what we chose to do is we called them on the phone instead of using the form to order and everything else. We ordered 2 yards of the polyfoam, 2 yards of the sound insulating foam, and 3 yards of the fabric to have, as well as a carpet set. But anyway, you can fill all this out on the order form, but again, you can order the material, but it's hard to find in the catalog. That's why we just go ahead and call them on the phone and tell the lady what we want, and they're more than happy to send it to us. Now pricing, you can figure the polyfoam, which is the half-inch squeezable foam, it's white and it's $25 a yard, 50 inches wide. Then you have the sound deadening foam, that is $80 a yard, and then you have the wool fabric, which is $50 a yard. So that's what makes up your carpet set. And again, it's from Airtex, and we don't receive any money from them for this. We just think they make a good product for our airplanes. And then when you take it out of the box, here's the thickness, and this is what your wool mica color looks like. It's very soft, it's very clean, and we're going to do our best to keep it that way. And again, it's 50 inches long, and we ordered more than enough so that we can shape it. Now, also in there, you can see the white polyfoam, and in a minute, I'm going to, and wrapped around the white polyfoam is the sound deadening foam. And then here's what we're going to do. We're going to clean the airplane where the headliner goes inside the cabin down to bare metal. We're going to clean it, make sure it's all good, and then you take the sound deadening foam, which is self-adhesive, and you put it into place. And then on top of it, you glue the polyfoam, and then on top of that, you trim and cut your headliner. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what you do with a headliner when you make it yourself out of the polyfoam, the sound insulating foam, and the wool fabric. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So here's Tarzan eating our chive plant on the back porch. Oh, it was so tasty. He says he loved it. And then we have Sweet Pea here in the window chattering at the birds in their nesting box. Finally, we have Tarzan in his little bag of paper. And no, folks, we don't have a ghost. Not at all, not in our house. What we do have is we have a cat in the cabinet. And it's fun when you hear that in the middle of the night. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.